Bye. So you just finished your consultation with Southwest Exteriors and now you find yourself wondering, now what? Well, in this video, we're going to talk all about what you can expect after you receive your quote from Southwest Exteriors for your renovation project. Let's go. Hey, Chris here. Welcome to the Home Solutions channel. After your design consultant leaves, it can sometimes leave you feeling all alone, kind of like you're on an island, just looking around, searching for rescue, hoping someone's going to come with all the answers. Well, we're coming with those answers, so put out the signal fire. Here we are. We're going to talk about the 3 things you can expect following your consultation with Southwest Exteriors. The first one is what you can expect immediately following the consultation. The next one is going to be when you decide to commit to the project and what happens next. And the last one is going to be what you can expect before installation. So let's jump on over into following the consultation. Within 24 hours of your consultation, you'll receive an email that contains the proposal for your project. Hey, right on time. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, the proposal. Very official. Included in your proposal is going to be the scope of your project. Included in the scope of your project is any details discussed during the consultation as far as customizations or anything that you wanted excluded, and you will also receive a clear-cut price. Southwest Exteriors does offer a 7 and 30-day price, so you have the time to make the best decision for your family and home. 3 things that happen when you decide to take the next step. 1, we'll go over all the paperwork with you that you will have to sign. 2, we will collect the proper deposit for your project. And 3, we will schedule a technical measurement appointment for windows or a pre-construction conference or PCC for siding. What happens between committing to your project and installation day? Now that you have fully committed to your project, you will be in contact with the Southwest Exteriors Client Experience Champion and either the project manager for window and door replacements or the project manager for siding replacements. What happens if you're on the fence about committing to your project? If you're not sure whether or not you're ready for a home improvement project before the consultation, it's super important to do your research. Knowing all about the contractor you're thinking of working with before the consultation is just going to save you time and let you know if their services are going to line up with the project goals and expectations you've set. We have a lot of great content on that topic here on the channel, and if you're interested in more, make sure you check out the link down in the description below for a video of the 6 things you want to ask any contractor at a consultation. I want to thank you for checking out the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. Take it easy. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.